Hi. When you create a voiceover, sometimes you need a voice which will read text written in different languages as a native speaker. In this case, multilingual voices would be your choice. You can find multilingual voices in Kukarella, and I will show you how they work. Let's play a few samples from this text, which uses 5 different languages.
Bonjour, guten Tag, здравствуйте, konnichiwa, and hello. I'm Dr. Lingual, a polyglot language expert.
Okay, let's listen to another sentence which uses both English and French.
Let's start with French. Il pleut de cordes literally means it's raining ropes, but it's used to say it's raining cats and dogs. In French, we often use food-related idioms. For example, avoir la pêche, to have the peach, means to be in good form or happy.
And this one is in French.
En français, nos idiomes reflètent souvent notre amour pour la gastronomie et la vie quotidienne. C'est une partie importante de notre culture.
Okay, I asked my friend from France, and she told me that this is Paris accent. But yeah, in most cases, you will get really good authentic pronunciation. Let's listen for Japanese.
Japanese idioms, or kotowaza, often stem from ancient wisdom or literature. Sarumo kara ochiru, even monkeys fall from trees, means even experts can make mistakes.
And this phrase is in Japanese.
も含んでいます。私たちの文化の奥深さと自然との
As you can see, it's quite easy. You select one voice, you type text in different languages, and this voice will read text as a native speaker in each language. Now I'll show you how to choose multilingual voices and what limitations they have, if any. In both text-to-voice and dialogues AI applications in Kukarella, you select the voice. But we're currently in text-to-voice app, so let's choose one voice for this text. Let's go to English US. Apply filter multilingual voices. It will show you all voices which speak multiple languages. You can see that they are cloned voices. Cloned voices, they support, I think, 45 languages. And just multilingual. You can listen to samples of these voices. They are recorded in English. So even if you go to French, you can see alloy, but a sample will be in English. But let's listen to it.
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to voice.
Okay, good.
Hi, how are you?
You can choose. Here we have a female voice. Let's choose male one.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to voice. There are other options.
Let's choose this one. So we selected that voice. I forgot to mention what limitations this voice has. As you see, it doesn't support effects. That's the main limitation. And here, if you check here, you can see that Eric voice supports pause effect, while majority of other voices, they do not support any effect. Yeah. So the only supported effect is pause for most voices, multilingual voices. Okay, usually that's not a big deal because these voices are really good. They were created with artificial intelligence, so they will be quite good even without any polishing, without applying any styles. But we selected Eric's voice, and now let's convert this text and listen how Eric reads it. Okay, let's play a few lines.
Japanese idioms, or kotowaza, often stem from ancient wisdom or literature. Wen mo mu kara wo chiru.
Sarumoki kara ochiru, even monkeys fall from trees, means even experts can make mistakes.
Okay, and now Japanese
当局はしばしば深い盗撮や強
and French.
En français, nos idiomes reflètent souvent notre amour pour la gastronomie et la vie quotidienne. C'est une partie importante de notre culture.
And German.
Auf Deutsch sind unsere Redewendungen oft sehr bildlich und konkret. Sie spiegeln unsere Liebe zur Natur und unseren praktischen Sinn wider.
For comparison, if we choose non-multilingual voice, native English voice, English US voice, let's choose one.
Hi, how are you?
Let's go area.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? If you like my voice, you can use it to convert.
We can choose expressive, and we will compare. You will see the difference how multilingual voice reads text and how one of the best Microsoft voices which was created by Microsoft it's the same text. You will probably notice a difference. Okay, it's done, and now let's listen to.
Let's start with French. Il pleut des cordes literally means it's raining ropes, but it's used to say it's raining cats and dogs.
It's very good voice, but I think that pronunciation wasn't there.
En français, nos idiomes reflètent souvent notre amour pour la gastronomie et la vie quotidienne. C'est une partie importante de notre culture.
You probably see the difference. Now let's listen again for multilingual voice, Eric.
En français, nos idiomes reflètent souvent notre amour pour la gastronomie et la vie quotidienne.
Now another multilingual voice.
En français, nos idiomes reflètent souvent notre amour pour la gastronomie et la vie quotidienne.
And the first one, multilingual.
En français, nos idiomes reflètent souvent notre amour pour la gastronomie et la vie quotidienne.
And now again back to that non-multilingual voice, and you will spot the difference.
En français, nos idiomes reflètent souvent notre amour pour la gastronomie et la.
It's basically English pronunciation. An American speaking French, trying to speak French with American accent. Okay, those are main advantages you can get from using multilingual voices. As I said, if you have a text which is written in different languages, which uses different phrases in different languages, probably a multilingual voice would be your choice, unless you want to create a comic effect and show how non-native speaker pronounces certain words in another language. But if you're looking for authentic pronunciation, if you want to be sure that text is pronounced exactly as it should be said by a native speaker, then multilingual voices would be your choice. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.